I used to think my cat Biscuit was just vibing through life. Eat, sleep, knock my water cup over, repeat. But then one night around 3 a.m., I hear typing, like actual fast typing. I sneak into the living room, and there he is, Biscuit, on my laptop, wearing my blue light glasses, paws on the keyboard, focused, like he's coding the next billion-dollar app. I'm like, bro? He looks up, doesn't even flinch, just slams the laptop shut like, mind your business, peasant. Next morning, I check my email. He applied to 5 remote tech jobs, all under the name B. Whiskers. His resume? Fire. Skills? Typing, sleeping. Cybersecurity. Fishcracker enthusiast? Then, a week later, a package shows up. Inside, a mini hoodie. Custom embroidered, CEO of Naptime. Now I just pretend I don't know. But every night at 2:59 a.m., he walks past me with his laptop bag. And I swear, last night I heard him say, Slack meeting in 5. So now I'm wondering, how many pets out there are working remote and not paying rent?